So my question, Sheikh, is that I there was things like today going on, like happening. Like I was watching some video, and there was a brother who said, "Oh, I was giving da'wah to this person, and it was by the qadr of Allah that I was there." And he said, "Oh, I don't believe in chance." So by that, I was getting these thoughts. Like I was thinking about what's the Islamic ruling on using the word chance. Like I was thinking, like what does it mean to use the word chance when you say, for example, "Oh, don't go to this fitness gym because the chance is that you might be sinful." So what's the ruling on this? Like
there is nothing wrong, akhi, from in using the word chance, because it is similar to a possibility. If you cross a busy highway, like in Germany, for example, where they don't have a speed limit in some of their highways, and if you cross it, there's a big chance you're going to be run over by a car. So there's a possibility. If you mean a coincidence or luck, even the terminology luck was used in the Quran. لَذُو حَظٍ عَظِيمٍ, great fortune, great luck. And a coincidence, to our understanding, is something that was unplanned. What a coincidence. I met your brother yesterday. By coincidence, it was unplanned by both of us. But no one of us would even think in their wildest dream that this is not part of Allah's qadr. It is part of Allah's qadr. And it was a coincidence as well. So I hope this answers your question.